Hello, welcome to Shovel YouTube channel. And today we are talking about the Power Automate app of Microsoft 365. So in this video we are going to talk about Power Automate and how to make an email just in simply one click with Power Automate. So let's do it. Okay, now we are on our site at our environment to do some test. So we need to click on Flows, then on the top of the window we have the new flow button. So we need to click on that button, and then you need to click on Instant Cloud Flow. So then you need to name it. I guess it will be send an email simply by a click. You need to click on manually trigger a flow, because this will be the way that the flow will run. So create, and then you have manually trigger a flow at the top of the flow. If you need to add something, you can add it on add an input. At this time, we will need to have 3 inputs. The very first one will be to. The next one will be from. The next one will be subject. The next one will be body. So, as we can see, you have, sorry for the wrong action of 3 inputs, and there will be 4 inputs. So you have 2 from subject and body. The usually things that we have to do, send email. If you don't catch it up at the first search, it will be always at Outlook search, and then you will be clicking send email. Send an email, okay, in the V2 option, because it will be the standard way. So as we can click on that option, you need to specify the 2 for add dynamic content. So at this point, this thing, okay, there is it. 2. As we can see, the input that we were adding to the manually trigger a flow on the first action of this flow, the input were searched here as 2. So you can put it on the specify an email address to send to someone, and that's it. So the next one will be subject. So you can use the input from the trigger that names subject. As you can see, there it is. Sorry,
And then the body, you can search it as well, body. And if you click on show advanced options, you can add the guy that will be sending this email as from. So as you're seeing this flow, it will be all the things that you have to put on the actions to send a flow. So how it will be? We need to save it. Okay, then we need to add this to an app to click and send the parameters to the flow and execute the flow to send the email. So let's have a try.
So, what will be the important points to flow from to subject and body? So, if we play those in the app, those inputs will be satisfying the inputs that the flow were expecting.
Okay, so as we can see, we have the screen of our app that calls the automate flow. So what will be the important points to see? Okay, well, as we can see, we have the inputs that we previously set on the flow from to subject and body. So if we play those in the app, those inputs will be satisfying the inputs that the flow were expecting. Now we're going to test it. Okay, so as we can see, we have the right inputs to send the email. You need the from, the to, the subject, and the body. So, as well as you can click on the icon of the app, it will call your flow to send the email. And then you can see that there's an email of the testing that you are doing now. So you can see at Power Automate that your runs of the flow will be perfect. The inputs and the send an email B2 action. So that's it. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching Charles's YouTube channel. Like and subscribe, please. See you later.